Okay, now I'm going to show you how to connect your dYdX account to GoodCrypto. Uh, you can enjoy all the trading tools that we offer for centralized exchanges on dYdX as well. And to do that, you just need to connect your existing dYdX account, same way as you do with centralized exchanges, to us. So how do you do that? I'm showing you, don't be afraid. It's just a way for me to show on my laptop the mobile interface of our app. So if you go to exchanges and settings the same way you do when setting up any other exchange in GoodCrypto, so settings, exchanges, then dYdX, and here you immediately will see on your mobile phone. You need to do that. You will see a banner here so that you connect your dYdX account. Basically, you need to sign in into your dYdX interface, and then there choose the sign in into mobile. In the wallet settings of your dYdX account, it will show you QR code, and you need to scan that QR code with our mobile app. So let me do that. So see, I have one dYdX account already connected. Let me try to do it again. So I'll just click this add another dYdX account. Immediately you can see I have only one option to scan the QR code. So I need this QR code to scan to. So that basically it tells you that you need to use our mobile app to set up dYdX. So you go on desktop to dYdX interface. I'm just gonna switch the tabs real quick. Here is my dYdX interface. Here is my account, right? My wallet that is connected to a dYdX. And I just go inside my wallet. And here you see sign into mobile. The same thing you use to connect your dYdX mobile application to your dYdX account. So that's basically the same. So you click the sign into mobile, this precautionary window. After those 8 seconds, they will show you the QR. Click continue, and here's the QR. I'm not gonna show it so that no one will use my account, but if I click here, it will show me the QR code. And if this is the QR code that I need to scan with my app. So I click the scan QR code here, and I scan this QR code. So again, you need two things. You need to access your dYdX account on your desktop, and to choose here in your account the sign into mobile that will generate a QR code with your API keys, and then you go this is the QR code. Again, not gonna show it. Then you take your mobile device with GoodCrypto app, go to settings, exchanges, and here into dYdX, click add dYdX account, click scan QR code, and you scan that QR code, and that's it. Your account, dYdX account, is connected to us. How secure is that? Pretty much the same as using API key with a centralized exchange, right? So this uh, this uh, this API key only has basically reading and trading privileges. Theoretically, you can actually withdraw with that API key, but only to your original wallet, right? So from dYdX to the original wallet you created. So I've here, right? That's my dYdX. That's my actual MetaMask wallet from which I funded my dYdX account. So all that API key can do is withdraw my funds from the exchange back to my wallet, and that's it, right? So pretty much this level of security of this API key is the same as API key of any centralized exchange. Okay, enjoy trading with dYdX in GoodCrypto app.